magandang gabi sa inyong lahat yan. Guys, kain tayo. Kulang ang kanin. So, kanin. Kanin pati. Tsaka tuna. Wala po ang tuna natin.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.
Kumusta nga pala kayo dyan?
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad,
Kayo ng bansa.
Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.
Alam niyo naman, ang ating kalaban ay hindi natin nakikita. OFW isang wala ng oras magluto o magising kain na lang sa layas, trabaho kaya dapat lagi kayo maligtap ang karang nabali yung nakain tuna, noodles crispy para mamatay gutom ba.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake.
Mamacita,
Uy, pa rin, noodles pa rin nakakain
¿dónde está Santa Claus?
may laman ng tiyan.
And because I don't believe, Mamacita, where is Santa Claus? I look for him because it's Christmas Eve. I know that I should be sleeping, but maybe he's not far away. So I close the window and peep in, hoping to see him in his sleigh. I hope he won't forget to bring his castanets and to his reindeer say, oh Pancho, oh Vixen, oh Pedro, oh Blitzen, ole, ole, ole. Mamacita, ¿dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? And because I don't believe, I saw
Jingle bells, jingle
Ito sa bansa ng sound. Baka may namatay ng manok. Kaya mo dito ka makakabis na handa mo ang sarili. Ay araw-araw. Umaga manok, sa tanghali manok, sa gabi manok. Tapos na gabi ang itlog ng manok. Manok pa rin.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell
At
ring.
nakataka mga hati na rin.
Blowing and
Manok pa rin.
blowing, a
Meron ng
bushel of
karne.
fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up those feet.
Kaya
Jingle
dapat
bell
pag pumunta ka
round
rito
the
sa Saudi ay
clock. Make
pangalan mo
them
kayo
ring with a jingling feet. That's the jingle bell rock. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time.
dahil karamihan na
So gliding
ang
in a
ginagawa kahit
one-horse
Pilipino
sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up those feet.
sigurado may
Jingle
alam
bells round the clock.
hindi nakakabili ng makakain ng sinigang na baka guys, maraming salamat sa inyo sa lagi pong suporta